Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I'm in the middle of putting in a phone holder for my wife, and we have a Jeep Liberty, and the phone holder's for a, what was it?
Jeep Wrangler TJ.
There you go, that's what it's for. Anyhow, so in the midst of doing that, I needed to take off the grab handle here. So there's another video on the grab handle down here that's not there anymore. So go check that out if you need to learn how to do that. And in the midst of doing that, I went ahead and tore this whole thing out of here, thinking I needed to get to that, which in my video you'll find out I don't. But I thought I should probably do a video on this. And first of all, down in here, there's a screw. I already pulled that screw out. Then, once you pull that screw out, it's fairly simple. There's actually a little hole here I can see that I shoved my screwdriver in. And this just pops loose like that. And then you can unplug things as you need to go. My stereo is a different stereo, so I don't know what yours will be here. But this one just has 4 screws and that whole thing comes out. It's super simple to get out. So if you need to get back there, don't be intimidated by it. Really simple to do. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.